Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to send an email using PHP. This is one of the tutorials a lot of people were looking for, but now we managed to get time to do it. I expect you to know a little bit of HTML and PHP. If you don't know, also don't worry. It's something simple, but it would be better for you if you knew a bit of those two. So please open your notepad because mine is open already, and we're going to start typing our code. We're going to send an email using mail function in PHP. So that's very simple. Let's start. You're going to say PHP, scroll down here, you close it, then you come inside here, we write our function called mail, then we close it, then inside in here we put in the email we want to send to, then comma, we put in our subject, which is gonna be hi, then we come here, we put in our message, it's gonna be hi, I'm the PHP guy. Okay, after doing that we save. That simply means we are done with our email. So simple like this. Once you drop this in your online server and you run this page the way it is, it's gonna do what? It's gonna send the email. But now we want to make it a little bit professional. What we're gonna say, we're gonna say to, and to who equals to this message, this email address. Then we're gonna come and replace everything there with this. And also here we can say subject, which could be said hi, but I want us to change it to say hi, this is a test for PHP. Okay, then we go down here and we're gonna create what? Message. After creating a message, we say okay, then we do this. Remember, this is the basic thing. Once you know this, you can modify your script to be a little bit advanced. So in the message you're gonna say hi, my name is PHP tester from Azania tutorials. Okay. Okay, then we save. Then what we're gonna do, you're gonna come in here and delete everything here so that we replace it with these two. This is the email you need to do. Then 2 is gonna be subject, then 3 that's gonna be your message. After writing the message, we know that we are sorted, so our email is 100% ready to go. So where we're gonna send that, I'm gonna show you where we're gonna send it, and we're pretty gonna do things in a transparent way. I'm gonna send here the email. After sending the email, we're gonna check it if it's in here. This is my email I used to test. It should come here. If it doesn't come, it's gonna be in what? In spam. So but now before we send, we have to I don't know if you have set up your email server on your local machine, but me, I don't have that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send using what? My online server. So I'm gonna get that script, I upload it on my online server on one of the websites, then it's gonna work. So I expect maybe if you have it, then that's gonna be good for you. I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna drop that file. I've done that, and remember, you can see the file name is apply_processor.php. so I'm gonna go and say I'm gonna say no, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm gonna look for this folder. See, then say apply apply is going to be double ply underscore processor, then dot php, then I hit enter. Once you hit enter, then simply means your message is gone. There's no error, there's no what. So we did make the script to be advanced to tell us if the message is gone. So what we're gonna go, we're gonna refresh here and see if we received our email. I'm gonna look into this. I don't have nothing updates, there's nothing, and in most cases it comes into spam. So we're gonna go to our spam emails and check spam. Nothing is in there yet. I wonder why, but that should work with no stress. Let me see. To mail to subject. This is subject message. I don't see any reason why the email did not come in. This is the email. Mail. Okay. Okay. Maybe we wait for it a little bit. Give it some time. It should come. We wanna give it some time. I want us to give it some time. Please email come. Give it some time. We're refreshing and see if I can send it second time. Okay, then we look into that. It's not here yet. It's taking me into something useless. Let me see. Do you have anything in spam? Not yet. All mails. Okay. I'm trying to figure out why it's taking that longer to this is the email here. Hi, are you? Look what it says. Hi, how are you? Info. No, not this one. It should be something else. It can take some time. Sometimes it can just come through same time. But guys, that's the code. You can test it on your side. And I wanna say something here. I wanna put some error message here in case we get the code has some error. It's gonna give us some error. Let me see. I'm gonna add error message to see if we have some errors. But if we don't have errors, this should work properly. You know, sometimes you can code and forget something small, but I'm 100% sure that's the code we have to use. I've done this several times, but you know, the only bad thing is like sometimes it takes time to the email to come. So I'm gonna put some error message display so that we get the message in case we find some problems. So that's the code I'm going to use. I got a code here for errors. It's not part of it, but just it can help us to tell us if there's something wrong with the code yeah. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna try test again. There's no error. And also I wanna start saying this. I wanna add this. Let's say I'm gonna say send. I'm gonna say something simple here. Equals to. Okay, then I'm gonna say if send, then tell us. If it's not send, also tell us. If send, then say message sent, echo message sent. Send. Then we close this and say, and also we can come here and say else. Message non send. So we you know, this is the way you upgrade your script to do a lot of things, to tell you this and this and that. So it's one of the way the code keeps on growing. So with that, we're gonna come here and it should tell us if message sent. You see message sent, so it means our code is working perfectly. So now only delays we have is like to come here. It's taking longer to come into our spam or onto the email. Yeah guys, we proved that it's working. So the only thing is that we haven't got it here. Do you understand? So it should come here and do whatever I want. So but the only thing is it can take longer. You can see, yeah, now this is here. I'm very lucky. So it sent 2 mails already. So this one said, hi, this is test for PHP. I guess I thought it's gonna come in spam, but it came just straight in the email. So you can see it say hi is a test for PHP. That's what we see here. So once we open the email, it means we receive 2 emails. The first one say, hi, my name is PHP test from Azania. So what is the second saying? The same thing. Okay, so it simply means we sent 2 messages at the same time. Okay, so you can remove this message, this code. You don't need that. You can also remove this if you don't want the if statement, just to know if the message is sent or is not sent. The only thing you need is this. Guys, if you've been following, I'm 100% sure after watching this video you're gonna be knowing how to send an email using PHP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment box below. We're gonna help you as soon as possible.